Yeah, I started. There's sound going on there.
Everybody get ready. And get your lady and watch the MC carefully. Dance for now. It's not mistake, it's a disgrace. Mommy,
Okay. All right, yeah, that's fine.
Everybody get ready. And get your lady and watch the MC carefully. Dance for now. A single mistake. Just, are you ready? Anna, change your life. Anna, change your style. Anna, don't sing. Sugar daddy, it don't go daddy for house.
So quicker.
Anna don't say sugar papa, it don't go papa for house. So quicker. Anna don't say sugar daddy, it don't go daddy for house. So quicker. Anna don't say sugar papa, it don't go papa for house.
All right, thank una so much, mommy and papa them. God bless una enormously. We una don't join this live show. I want thank una for all una sacrifices, especially una for Ground Zero way. Una dey watch this show all the time. Una dey everyone una dey struggle for the coronavirus, for get money for do things and but una dey still struggle for get money for put data for una phone, data for una phone so that una fit watch this show. I want tell una one thing, mommy and papa them say, una there for the right place and. Revolution not going to be in politics. It's not going to be in a campaign. It's not going to be a joke on people's lives. It's going to be things the way they be factual and actual. If you see how the dimension for the revolution they change. Now, I will talk this one very clearly because as soon as understand the perspective, and I say, La République know very well, say, we don't already win. And now why that way, consistently, they try for bring some things the way they be irrelevant for the discourse on. But I don't talk say, whether or not La République like we go take La République completely down, because now our determination now it go change. Now our determination now it go change everything we will get them for the land of Amazonia. Today, Mommy and Papa them, I will talk specifically with the can reach 1,000 very soon. Although they don't restrict this page, so the back say me all my way to join, make it share, make it love, tell us side you watch from, and not forget for hashtag or normal hashtag 10%. Now, make a tell you one thing, Mommy and Papa them. You see, every time for revolution, you get steps. And you get to take the step then depending on the emergency of the time. And at the emergency of the time, now it help you for progress and for push the revolution ahead. Thank all the watch from London. Thank all the watch from UAE. Thank all my watch from USA, from Brazil, from Japan, from China, from Bahrain, from South Korea, from Kuwait, another watch from Cyprus and Northern Cyprus, all another watch from all across the world, from Norway, from Ireland, from Britain, from Germany. Everywhere, I want to salute you now, Mommy and Papa, and for telling us, say, may God bless you now one more time. Now, make I talk very clearly, as I don't always talk. Say, everything now na stage. Revolution get with stages. Now, if you want to know one thing, a lot of things in the way La République know, say with some particular people them, in this revolution, they not fit ever win Amazonia. I want to salute all my guys from Denver for Colorado. Say God bless you now for that side. Now, may we listen attentively. The issue here, not be what idea say you go ever think say all man must can't like which way they do. No, it not gonna happen. And the strongest man, na man way it come out for place where people they be feel say na for they overlike it can be against the bad things the way that people they be do. No activist, no bad doer. Now only one activist. Where he split himself away from evil. He moved away from evil. Categorically. Not once, not twice, many times. When it's not good, I move away. That is how Eric Tato operates. And the fundamental ideology that we don't use them for win La République du Cameroon. I go tell you one thing. Now I watch from Finland, Netherlands, Germany, everywhere. Put the watch from just everywhere, from Cali, from UAE. All now the watch at this time. Right there, I'm 10% and you're right where you're watching from. Now, listen to me. Now at the time for either stand firm for win this revolution or we leave them for enablers them and agent provocateurs them for distract we. No, it not gonna happen. I want to tell now simple example for showing how a fake news, how a conspiracy is there for social media. I'll give you a small example with our hero, Banjoli Tume, we don't die. Before I go bring up this video for sure and for power, I want to observe a minute silence. So with the count, when you reach 1 minute, before I will continue. So any my way you join me, just to share, I will observe a minute silence for power. Make Pa his soul, make it rest in peace. Pa been a big hero and he still remain our hero. Before I want to start for talk about Pa Banjoli Tume, I want to thank Vice President for Federal Republic of Ambazonia, His Excellency Daphne Yerima, thank the communication head or secretary for IG, Mr. Taka Milton or Milton Taka, when them they be informed and in touch, and they make sure say they come out powerfully for represent the thoughts of the Ambazonian people as per be that. Now the kind leader they zero one time. Not be leaders the way they wait till when some other leader don't do something before they go copy them. So thank those two people, especially Vice President Daphne Yerima, for wonderful message to Pa. You know here if we go make live show. It not be being a kind of political stuff or cast called political gains. You do your small write up as a president. Just imagine say if you be president of a country, any man die, you go do speech. Any man die, you go do speech. You should never see him. Except you see president will write condolences and maybe for the person burial if he makes speech. But when you see people the way they run for can do speech because Pa Jordan died, they want to do live show for talk quick, you know, as head of somewhere. I mean, your communication person, if you do them, if you don't get a message from you, that said the same way all countries they do them, if Trump want to write condolences, some person go do them. But you see some person don't run. Quick, go do live show, say he be president for this, for Ambazonia. If he fight the president, oh, no man will fight you, president. You be president, why he fight? So, Pa, he died, he don't continuously for remain in our hearts. And would he talk, say, me, Pa, rest in peace. I will come up with the issue, we'll put it the fight for do live show. They address the nation for Pa, he died. When man die, you do a condolence message, you first send them for a family, and then you reach out to them. Ask them, say the only people they don't call where I know for sure. Where I quote them. Now, Vice President Daphne Yerima and the Communication Secretary Milton Taka with a call by family. Now they exchange number them before we get which to go on. Now, make I go for this part in video before I'll come to talk the other issues of the day. Okay, now part in video this way, probably celebrate a 90th birthday for 5 sisters.
It's not going to be Jesus, J-E-S-U-S.
Justice Ebon.
It's not going to be I love you know what. It's going to be freedom. And therefore, I want you to hold this knife. Make a wish.
Share, please.
I think I kind of know what that wish is. You cannot live this long and not have an obvious wish. So blow out your candles, make a wish. Blow your candles. And yes, got the cake. I was about to say we should say F-R-E-E-D-O-M. But again, when you get to this age, you can pretty much get away with anything. Nobody cares. Yes, you can, but you can get away with anything because people will say, oh, there must be some wisdom in what you did. And therefore, Pa has cut his cake, and we are so honored, so blessed to be present. Thank you, Pa. And Pa, if you look on your cake, it's your flag. You have your blue, you have the white, and you have the yellow. The green is to show how rich Southern Cameroon's Amazonia are. Thank you, Pa. We thank you. And we say thanks and happy birthday.
Okay, some people say they have seen the video, but you saw the video. Did you know where that was? Is that video giving you any information? So that's why the information is there. You see people who are in that video. Elvis Kometa, Siseko Chris Mosebini, late Justice Ebon, and so on. So when you see a video like that, you ask these people, you have to call them to ask them that, when was this? What occasion is this? What is that? So that you bring the facts to the people the way it is supposed to be. Because these people who attended this thing, you know them, they must know the venue, they must know the date. And so I got to them, oh, listen, when was this video? And they explained to me it was at Laura, 5 sisters at Laura here in Maryland, and it was during Pa's 90th birthday in 2017. Now, from 2017, Pa was 90. And today is 2020, 3 years different. And people still share Pa's age as one. It's not even a debate. But just that when you want to give information, you want to give facts, it should be there clean and clear. I will say this very clearly because mommy and papa now the thing anyway, and they talk say social media until some people they want instead you were the right the real thing. But they instead one believe that the fake age for power na 101. Pa no die for 101. No be say pa no be fit 101, but pa age will be authentic from his family, from his friends na 93. Now 93 years. Now pa 90th birthday that. So every daughter where they call and say Nani Mafani, he talks about he say pa age na 93. His son Nani Litumbe, he talk the same thing. Now what's going on? Why I want to bring this pie die for try for bring some sense in Ambazonians. Say they ask say why people they be used to for share fake things. Why all of those things? You pick something from somewhere or you hear it on social media, you start share. But then where the right source is, you don't seem to want to get it. Why? You ask yourself that question. Now, all of us might just block one person when talk about views, because as I talk to I'll restrict this page. Where you can't talk about views, I block you, because tomorrow when National Telegraph and National Telegraph Africa will get 2,000 views, this 1,000 views, we now can't be conspiracy. Say, oh, Eric Tato he don't buy views and stuff like that. But now when they don't block the page, they don't restrict them, when they still complain. So I just block you very well. Now, we'll get them very clearly. Alright. Alright, now all man right by age, Pa died for 93 years. Anything above that is fake news. And I'll talk very clearly because we're not going to compromise what people their ability for continuously make what put them vulnerable. Pa be very privileged. He go for one of the best schools. He been a chartered accountant. He get documentation. They were the born in, the year we graduate. He get all those things. And so you know, we don't go fake Pa age. You need look man for face so. Pa was quite young until he get a little bit sick way. He go down a little bit. But look at Pa there. You see that that's true that that's somebody who is 90 something. So that is how it is. When one get information about people, we get to be very clean and clear. Besides, brochure for Pa die go come out, right? Brochure for Pa die go come out. I will go see the year with the born party. But yet people they go create fake news, fake everything. They put them out there and people believe. Your belief now, Pa picking them. Who you know your age pass you? Your woman go no mind. He must say age. He picking on them age. Or you are there for social media. You don't carry fake news. You write that everywhere. That is past 90th birthday, and I think they be important for Ambazonian for no day where they be born their hero. We'll not be right by history with distorted facts. We will take by biodata from his family. Pa died at 93. Pa was 93. That's it. So we no one get anything. You don't just write Pa. Just write Pa and John Litumbe was 93. That's when he died. And I felt that it is my responsibility to clear this fact for people to stop this fake news. Pa did not die at 100. How now Pa will celebrate birthday for 90th birthday 3 years ago? Then una can't talk say Pa, una add Pa 8 years. Because people, first of all, who is journalists on earth? How you better go pick news? Because they say, okay, we don't post them. They just pick news somewhere. Maybe they pick something for Wikipedia. Pa no fit die, a man of that standard. Then you not even find way as a journalist way won't read me, they read from you. You not even call Pa. Nobody called Pa. Okay, or Pa family rather. Say, well, Pa died when I called the daughter. She answered me. She was grieving, and I asked just 3 questions. Number 1, that is it true Pa is dead? She said yes, Pa is dead. Number 2, where did she die? She said Clinic Mona in Douala. Thank you so much. And ma'am, please, do you mind? What age is Pa? Pa died at 93. He was born this. Where was he born, Boya? So that is it. When you get, those are the things that I needed. Those are the briefs that I needed to inform people. Pa's age, Pa is dead. The day that he died. When I later on I called the son, Pa now is in the mortuary in Boya. You get the facts, you get the updates. So we have to remain responsible on social media. That's why I've told many people that me, Eric Tato, I'm not a blogger. I'm a news company. I need to write nothing where they out of track. Nothing. It must be 100% authentic, or at least 99%. That's how it's going to be. So all of us get for shutting down for look say, hey, Pa don't die. We not fit spread fake news about Pa. Money age be very important. Imagine say your birthday day tomorrow na waiting. Tomorrow na 28, right? Imagine say your birthday na 28. So man can talk say, oh, your birthday na 25th. If you make your friend miss your birthday. So we all must make sure say we should don't on top important issues stress them. I stress this issue because it be very, very, very important. Very important. It be an insult to the family. It be an insult to the Ambazonian people. Say people the day when they don't know Papa age, but they take him. Pa did not die. When you go for your war, say put up your war. We get to respect our power. We got to make sure say we stay on that point. Say power die at 93. Any other two get out there na fake news. Now if video that don't show up for a birthday, that's point number one clear. Number two, I won't go out now for talk about this dark issue before I will talk on any other thing. La République du Cameroon be so scared of dark. Now why that way they don't send agents them, put they don't pay thief money, chop money for the revolution. They don't chop 100 US dollars, it disappear. 100,000 US dollars, it disappear. They don't come again, they chop 1 million, it disappear, and so on and so forth. Now, may we get this one very clear. Before I go there, I'll just clarify and just say Parafi court age. You go now with your official age, right? Probably added 97. Any other trade you talk, it concern you. If you get any otherwise proof, you get for being best certificate ratio, say it passed 87. But the one way talk about emotional age at the body, it just be fair for the sake of professionalism, for make sure say make you take a I just put out this Gladys. Very good. That's it. You are out. Now that is how it's going to be. I just put it out. Go listen me for radio. Yes. Okay. I want to bring out this other issue quickly. Once you join, you share. Thank you so much. Mommy and Papa them. I want to talk about DAC. DAC now diaspora Ambazonian community. Where now the Ambazonian people them, they get the DAC. Now the stuff. Now, some people the way are not going to fear for call their name. Especially the people there for the criminal Sako gang. Where they be talk say me, the other man, the other criminal way, he don't chop money for Morris. A very staunch criminal, Boy Herbert. Where they say me can interview DAC. He come, we send one or two of our people, them, they go for the interview, they talk very well. Then they don't go bang, they go make conspiracy about DAC. I not listen to the interview, but I not care about this and that. But I want to go straight to the point. Some people say, why are you blocking people? I'm blocking people because this is my platform. Because I have the right to block people come and talk rubbish. And if you also ask that question again, I also block you. There's no time again for all those things that you pass in. Telegraph, I can leave you there. Here is for pro-Eric Tato. You come, you are anti, you are blocked. Like from today. That's like, oh, you come and watch quietly, but you want to make noise, go and watch me on the radio. Now, I'll be talking about that, Mommy and Papa them. La République du Cameroon, you find all way for puncture that, but not succeed. So man they way either for California way, as I be talk say either like that animal that scarecrow they put up a farm where they use them to drive bed for rice farm from them. Now so he head, if you see he head and the back head all are the same. You know get you know I can put you know the difference between front head and the back head. They all the time every shape pong hair all kind don't try all kinds style for head. The man is going fine. Now a naturally very very ugly man, as I always talk am, it be super ugly. Now why we see don't for some time don't stop for make live video, even now for audio now for inside moto tick with conspiracy. Now that very ugly man, extremely super ugly, man with head and the front head and the back head did the same. He talk say they all expose DAC say DAC don't talk say if you register for you can't put your this thing for DAC, La République will immediately get your name. So La République will deal with you. Then as dull as a man be, he go talk say the very dark don't talk say they not only for humanitarian. So if you dey only for humanitarian, why La République for even get interest for you? You hear the point? So man say it will be only humanitarian, and they go talk and say La République find humanitarian organization. They have Belinda Babila Foundation. They go treat people them for Nigeria and so on. How they do Cameroon, so they go for Douala, go organize press conference with Canada. Then why La République don't find them? They get Iron Foundation. Why La République? So when you see now, I talk you not even blame the man, because when you see a man with he front head, they say with back head. Oh, you know, I'm more but not shapeless. You know that sense. You don't know what they talk because you don't know how they talk. Because one for a back head, one for a front head, one for this side. That's how dull that guy in California is. So they call him wait till they call him Ness or whatsoever as the name they should call him. So it be very, very, very dull, and these are the kind of people that we don't have to tolerate. I'm not talking very clearly. When you see your conspiracy against a good project, I don't talk for all my day for the dark community to say, from today till tomorrow, not ever expect say any man when a pro Sako will ever give you $1 for that. They will always find a way, they will always come in there for can't find conspiracy. But the unfortunate thing about them, I say, No way, no day where they feel convince any man we don't go for dark, for come on for dark. Because dark, now the best thing that happen for Ambazonian people. That way they betray, they call dark for this thing, where they say they call dark for what they call, what you call it, no, Cameroon calling, where Bohebe they do, I'm Cameroon calling, because you go thief and name change them. I talk say, make no man no go for day. Because anyone doing a public relation, he find a way for bring conspiracy. Because first of all, right, when people they call the make no say Bohebe, personally Bohebe they run a which kind of radio? He get a podcast, he get a radio station? No. He not get nothing. Bohebe not get one microphone. He not get one sound technician. He finish show, bet na put them edit the work. He not get no space. Because now book for being very serious, right? You go for a program, you take Jumba Aku as I hear and not listen them. Now some person right they stop saying for me. I don't listen to Bohebe. That's the truth. Because Bohebe now one of the most unsuccessful Ambazonians in terms of journalism. Now whether you see it don't has go be now, Mary claims they be journalist, don't go be now under Chris and who never go no school, no nothing about journalism. You see that's why you see now why they fumble themselves. Now they fumble themselves. You got to know one thing. The highest people that did well where they produce fake news. Now Bohebe and Chris Anu. Bohebe, Chris Anu, Fu Johnson, super guys of fake news. Number one, Bohebe not get one reporter, even half, one finger. For any place for Gangze way, if you go find news, look the place, give a picture. They do when a word don't write, they can't take and go get that for that program. They don't get $1 for spending for that. Ask Bohebe say me go for a bank, I can go print you all your life with America if you get $1,000 when I own. Now whether we not get no radio station, no microphone, if you do this thing, the one you record for phone, send them for you. That is not how people work. And the way you do that, you go start bring fake news. The very Bohebe they lie. Say they killed that white man, that Wasco. While he said they killed for Bamenda instead of Bambili or Bambu. He lied. He lied, said they killed the Reverend Father, Papa, Mr. Jumai. Now, they say they lie, not kill the one, not kill the one. Now, they go do rejoinder. Now, he don't go now. He go for go coach his boss, Jumba Aku. Jumba Aku, if he pay, but have not even sweep. Even for America, oh, then Nana's way Jumba Aku come. Jumba Aku, don't be a serious IT technician, a Chrome certified Chrome master. Jumba Aku, you work for big company for year. We come here do now 3, 4, 5 months. They certify now. Boss they marry the end $50 something plus and now we Bohebe way there for you don't be completely unsuccessful. To go call Jumba Aku. We be come up for the Jumba Aku come up Pennsylvania. Come for here. The other man, Mr. Allen come out there like we come for here. Now Jumba Aku print all placards them. Do all things for protest we can do and for front fox. Bohebe only come for here now we can talk grammar with man not coach that money. You see a man very dull man, he'll come every day say, oh, you want to do it? You won't go. Yes, I need to insult them very seriously. There's no joke about it. I don't tell them before. Say, Adi, work with people in our country where they come. No man, and I make them very clearly, no man will ever bring conspiracy against Eric Tato or any of the partners and he go free. I go hit you hard because I'll be the most followed. Or when I still can watch the show. When I watch on Army now, when I will still watch them. I'll hit you very hard because we will not ever take this revolution gear for criminalism. But Bohebe now one of the highest thieves and the first thief man for this revolution. Money will continue to have a mortgage, he chop the money. Go for enough for Boyo. Bohebe get one voice for Boyo because thief money for Boyo meeting. Yes. Those are the kind of people who come and sit, they are making noise every day, they go left, right. He say, oh, every time to cut pour the hand. Now every time to do this. Now man that way in the fight for liberation. He goes to say ambassador cut person hand. They have first he work with person when I introduce kidnapping for the revolution. Listen, man, tell me one thing, my man, pardon. As I be talk, I'll come up with the Bohebe issue because we don't tolerate a comeback and a failure. Now, all power to be able to pick in. And I don't be a stooge for back and with them because they will take small contribution, share and give home because not saying if he pay rent. If he pay rent. Yes. When I tell Bohebe, me show you where to be worth. How man to do America for how many years? Having small microphone for do radio, you know get that. He report that they see record thing for phone. They record for phone sending. If I want to do any show in the Siam, I bring people in the studio to do the show, do the recording. So we don't tolerate criminals. We don't see the revolution until someone can ask and say, "Oh, before the revolution, Eric Tato will be know you." I will put chat for down, right? I will put chat for down for all man waiting for the revolution. Who know who they be know it pass before the revolution. Number 1, Mark Barretta, Eric Tato, Bohebe. The other criminal from Maryland here, Ikomesako, big thief man. You get President Sisi Kwayo Tabe. You get Milan Atta. Dr. Cho Ayaba. Dr. Akwanga. I don't put the door Bohebe man. Bohebe. Jomba Aku. Dr. Fontaine. Dr. David Makongo. Honorable Wiba. Now one man. ETC. And for the rest of the other activities, I don't name them for not checking them. No man, they not be know them either before, during, until now for the revolution. No man know them. So I don't even call their name for here. None of them. They not be know them. Oh, I forgot to put Tapang. Yeah, at least objectively, people know Tapang. Good. Now, when you can ask or say you look all the people they put there for scale. Any other I don't forget name, I will remember after. And then you get Pata Sang. Yeah, you get Manchum BBC. Perfect. So for all the people that were here, we select if we talk in terms of grades, say there be no people. We select the capacity. I will move first top 5 for your 6. You get who? You get Mark Barrett Adede. You get Jomba Aku. You get Honorable Wiba. You get Eric Tato. Now I know him. Okay. You get Dr. Ayaba. And they get Dr. Akwanga. Dr. Fontaine. Then Dr. David Makongo. Okay, now. The reason, come and tell it down. The reason, I don't leave them. When I share the video, I don't call Mark. He be well known. Taribide University. Not before struggle they can know him. But struggle, they can know him more. Because some one thing will happen, me someone be exposed. No, I'll not put Agbobala for the list because you know the part of our secessionist movement, not federalist. Then you get Eric Tato. I've been a CEO of a national telegraph back home since 2013. So all my everyday back home, every read telegraph, you know me very well. Bohebet, who be no Bohebet. Very limited prototype they will do the radio program. Very limited. You all now even come now so I not can know Bohebet inside the revolution. I don't know it before for side. That's the question. 1 minute. Sako Ikomi. No man Sako na the least man where they ever know it. Today so people around and say, who be know you, who are you? You can't take me every time to compare with the con man, Sako, thief man, correct thief man where they down. They want to say me out there America the work. Sako need the work. Who struggle, raise money, do things, he take the money, he chop them. Then he go bring conspiracy, bring fake people. Like I say, every time you be who? No, it not ever happen. President Siseko, to be honest, I not be knowing President Seko that much until during the revolution. Any man like argue that are the fact. I not be know it. But in case you don't carry talk say, oh, you don't have experience, don't do this. No, if they do it in them quietly. Now which other person do I right and so? See, Dr. Cho Ayaba. Milan Atam, I know me know me to Milan. Dr. Cho Ayaba. To be honest, I not be know me Dr. Cho, but when I can't say revolution, I can't say we don't do for the revolution, but I not be know it. You get who again? Dr. Akwanga. We know it some ways they will cash it and so on and so forth. Jomba Aku will be well known. Something. Jomba Aku will compare popularity now Mark Barretta. Now Mark Barretta and Jomba Aku will be compared. Yes, he was well known. 1 billion %. That's the truth. Who be not Tapang? 0. I be only not Tapang as per my classmate. He not be known outside any cycle apart from the fact that we get classmate for UB. That's just the truth. Dr. Fontaine be well known because being a lecturer, he do go outside and so on and so forth. Dr. Makongo be well known because a person did for oil, gas, all the things for the longest time. Honorable Wiba 100%, even the most popular because the parliament, it be well known. So when you can't hear people, they can't make noise say, if you put all the Ambazonian leaders, who they be know who before for percentages, Mark, Eric Tato, Honorable Wiba, Jomba Akuru, and then Dr. Makuro, and that is the truth. So we don't want this team who they can say who be know you, who be know who be know who. That's the question. So the answer to go back for you to say the person the supporter who be know you, who tells her be know your leader before now. So this one na a call Simon I forget all this small conspiracy about who be know who not be know who. Not be the thing that way Ambazonian revolution they about who know who not be know who. No, it is not. Nobody not be know nobody. And nobody not be ever care for know everybody. But revolution don't bring a common perspective. All we try to know ourselves now. So now can I say, who was Eric Tato before the revolution? Who be I be Eric Tato, CEO of National Telegraph. Yes. Mark Barretta was there, was known. So that's it. Yeah, of course, I never knew. Of course, I don't even know you. Even now that you are commenting, I don't know you. I can even block you permanently so that I don't know you. That's the point. So there's no issue about who knows who. Now, as I don't explain one, it brings me back to the crux of the matter when at the dark issue I want to talk about. Now, it be very clear, right? I'll go for the dark website. And today, I'll go for the dark website. Very good. www.darkcommunity.com. Good. Bam, it open. Dark don't open. Now dark that. When I don't see dark, anybody join share my turn at the real story now. You see this project? Good. That don't come, the whole La Republic is the panic. All man where the thief money for revolution is the panic because of that. I don't tell the project for that for some meeting say, you don't need all man for save Ambazonia. You don't need all man for save Ambazonia. For save our people, you need a few committed people. And I want to make all my idea for dark. Type hashtag I'm dark. All my idea for dark. Hashtag I'm dark. They don't bring conspiracy. Bring conspiracy. Say, oh, that na this na La Republic. Yes. That na La Republic for una way. Una want me be La Republic. But that na a community project for the Ambazonian people don't come to kill all thieves and all enablers. And as I be talk, now because they don't see way no day, you now don't go the claims on they do na draft. Wait till the hot now with that. That don't talk to me so man no go draft on now. That guy on a issue, no. That one can't tell me so man no draft on. Why una the fear that? Because una no say una that una draft na fake. Una don't draft draft don't draft una. Now I don't come and attack that. Una attack that every day registration. Remember that they increase. We'll go for that. That need to talk say you need to go make Zoom call say he get the number of people they do fake. No. That get 314 plus registered members. Dedicated members. And then they get $15,218 for their site. The most trustworthy, credible site. I want to tell you one thing when I want to for you 300 for dark. Yes, we will deliver Ambazonia for Ambazonian people. Any man who register for dark, go do your registration. Shame them. As a matter of fact, today, for this show, I will do some small thing about dark. My turn, I want thing, mommy and papa them. All man know very well. Make una no fine. Say they not feel big dark because dark now the way for the Ambazonian people. We nobody talk for this. Oh, you talk say dark do this. Will you show enough figures, proofs? Say every day the camera can criticize that. That see, I tell one thing right. Man where he believe for something, I not where it already been a surrogate. I need to waste my energy and my resources to convince you. I only hit you, I therefore hit you hard. A group I. Yes. All una will na the claims una suppose sako, una go wait. 2 years the can pass, 3 years, una go see whether on a draft take una do anything. But that go move mountains of the revolution. Yes, we get 300 plus registered members, transparent. If we there, I mean, if they 90 something, now the caution member, the instead only the increase. This Jennifer Bills, he say another MTTB. I will block you. You go ready. You now you listen me for radio. From month end radio will start with my voice. So I will move it for this platform. As you be aware, I get plenty followers for all my platforms. So I don't need any man way it come with a Republic sentiment. I will block you now, henceforth. If you come here, you won't come to watch every tattoo. Either you watch me for YouTube or you listen me for radio. But for this side, you want to read your comment. I read any offensive comment to my person or to my project. You are blocked. As a matter of fact, I want to increase the punishment. I will block you here. I write your name for that. Go find for National Telegraph. I block you. Find for National Telegraph Africa. I block you. Go for our YouTube page. I block you. You only listen radio. When you call for radio disturb, I block your number too. That's how it's going to go. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians. No more time for these criminals and again for take chance. No way. We all will get for change the game. We will therefore we will not need plenty people. That I don't tell that member, they say, listen, forget about it. For Jesus Christ be used now 12 disciples to free the way. Inside the 12 disciples, Judas be seated there. Peter be the way deny Jesus. So at the end of the day, now only 10 now only 10 they be even get on way. So every day inside the point, inside that will still get put, they will betray we. But we will move on. We will stand firm. That I give my heart for that because now project where it reflects my credibility and my transparency. Project where as an activist, I don't want ever get a say for inside issue a concern money or anything, and this project give me my wish. He only give me a wish for be the police of the revolution. All man for dark, as I be talk, I be the poorest dark member. The rest of the poor for dark, the people the way, now doctors, now this, they put their own money every day for inside dark. Yes, dark don't come for can change the formula. Now why I still a republic he said agents them, me they fear. Suppose you can say dark you don't have a humanitarian or you don't have a weighty, dark all options then about the liberation of Southern Cameroon is on top table for dark. But dark not go discuss the option them for social media. We get all options. Anything will be legal. We go bring Southern Cameroon independence. Dark go engage in that thing. We will not discuss any further about our option and sustainability for dark. Dark will be restricted to its members henceforth. We will not get any interview, will give any person. We will not get anybody who will be accountable to apart from the members the way they put their money for dark. Only person who is there for dark now you get the responsibility for making a decision. Now you get the responsibility for pushing this thing ahead. Enough is enough, and the dark people they get for get up for consider themselves into the vital 10% and deliver Ambazonian to the Ambazonian people. Jesus Christ will use not only 12 apostles for deliver Christianity to the world. For make sure the people they understand what they happen. The dark members are powerful. That is why they are the only transparent network. Oh man, they can't write money now for Facebook. We have raised 80,000. She come kobo, you need to see them. All they talking for space, they can't talk about air. And me, I'm an evidence-based activist. I'm not there for to whether you design that, they say no, me person very raised diversity that man. I say no, me be clear, me all man siam. Or everybody. And they talk say waiting. Say, oh, you come there, you probably go see your name. You know when I talk to that man for California, he dull. Even that scarecrow they put up for farm where they drive bird, it better pass it. If you put that man say the scarecrow, me drive bird, it will be ineffective. Rice, bird go still catch up your rice because you know no time for shake. Now very dull. Now, if you take that man's space and make robot, it go still dull, it not go work fine. Because it's an extremely dull man. Because you see man way you see he hate so you need to know that man, he didn't him for that Amweba. You look so you need to know it. You look at man if wait, hold on. Is it a human being? Now you hate this of front or now backhead there for front. You cannot understand. Man way they say nose in a corner here. Very, 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 very disastrously made. It's terrible for a man to be made in that format. And then he go come now, can't make noise. Say what? Let me say this something. You know I always interject for answer one or two things. He go make noise say when you put your name for it. So it's the point they go register for that. They don't know what they do. So for America, you ain't nothing no A, B, you don't know nothing. You don't pass scarecrow for rice farm. You want to tell people they don't go put their name for that. Say you don't know what they do. How the people end up with see my name? That's the question I'm asking you. How manage? Any man they for they say register the way you want them. So if like people go see Eric Tato, they're going to be Eric Tato. 99% of people they put their name for there, they can never be tracked because number one, their picture you don't know them. We have only go make a conspiracy. Number two, I say most of the people they need put their real names and we don't advise them repeatedly. And if they put their real name, nobody claims a humanitarian. Who the fear for donate for humanitarian not put in name? That's the point. So we get to know one thing. Say we not be that person will be ineffective for any act as a scarecrow. You know if it tell you no sense of the revolution. They fear that every day that they can't kill them every day. Conspiracy. They go grab. You don't grab 80,000 from Gokutunja on 100 times. But Joe don't steal all shop, one gun. Everyone on the world fake communicate. All joint communicate from Gokutunja. They have killed 2,000 soldiers. Where did they kill the soldiers? Why is that not only their own communicate? We will be journalists or they down. No money reporter. They be able to come out to the Ongo key fear. Field marshal engaged in a wonderful battle today. He play music or he engaged in a battle. Now because that's the action now. We go deliver Ambazonia. We don't need to again. Yes, because the long-awaited time for say population will deliver Ambazonia, there is no way. We don't wait for Amwebas them and Roaches them and Midges them for carry this step for social media. No. Now, why that way God bless me with the highest following for this revolution? Because God get a purpose. Don't try always to destroy Eric Tato, not succeed. Always they bring, you know how many times Eric Tato only fighters are number for the Republic. Not be, every day they start to and sing before National Army come. They start to and sings. So all they need to understand. Now, I dey buy van for National Telegraph in name. Yes, the LED van, the process, I will announce it before next week. Highest by Wednesday, I will already finish the negotiation. That van will be here, packed here in the office. Any person who want to go protest for Ambassador, we don't need plenty of people. Because I don't wait for too long and I say this thing will not. Listen, I want to know why that van will change again. Because I will make history. Say I will be the only activist where La Republic bribe them. They I take the money, go buy van for protest against Biya. How you say? It makes sense, no? Okay. We're going to change again. So that they will just shut up. When I don't do my fly at them, do all thing, put that play Biya kill and Gabu, put bad message about Biya, go stand for Capital Hills, for Capital Hills, go for White House, go for all those places so that you go talk say, and a Biya pay Eric Tato, me go pretend. So man go pay you, me go show say don't kill people for your own country. That is how stupid, and then some mommy or the share and the glad say, yes, not true. Na Biya pay me go pretend. So man go pay me, they go pretend. Me they go pretend, say they kill people. Because now they always see and say, listen, take your pen, please. Ma, open this thing. Take your pen. All man will watch me the support circle. Take your pen, write them. Say, I am an Ngombe. Put an Ngombe. I am an Ngombe. Ngombe. You know Ngombe, mommy? That beef we need to hear, we dull. Now one of the dullest animals in that Ngombe. Very dull. In fact, all now I support Sakoso now be 20 in line. 20 in line way because sheep better pass now because sheep there for quarter. The sheep they feed the entire hole. So one human being go drive and say no go now hold this. But now be 20 in line. 1 4 for whole on at the 4 because no human being there for direct now. You guys are lost. Now they like lost soul, lost. Now that day with that certain way it be lost where they lost for heaven. Where God no one can show now day. For labor matter I want to like write it down. For 9 billion years, 9 billion. Whereas if Sako live for the way, it no go ever do now, even a kiliwindi. Una no go rich. But we will deliver boy to the Amazonian people. Because don't detach yourself from the Sako crooks and cronies. All of them enablers. Yes, all of them. All of them enablers. You people have been completely detached from the revolution. All that tonight. Okay, take for example, right? Suppose, my just show a small example. I say, Manfred Central, they lie say they draft 50,000. Ma show na 1 2 and I don't know. Manfred Central lie say they draft how much? Ma show na quickly before I come out for that. when I see this guy, they clowns them for Manfred Central. Ma go bring so person don't exit that WhatsApp group right. Ma show na on team una see am. Na Manfred Central this. Una see am. Now Manfred Central they get 6 participants of the group. Now that's all. Manfred Central way they go that guy they call na willing na that's all. A man will open this, a man will open this, then 6. The devil group then 6, right? All man don't run them. That's a quick come. Now 6 for the remote the group. Now in this, even I don't know, mommy, they might show now. Now then this was 6. Now in that's all 6 of them for group. Now I will show now all. Now they will lead this USA. Now the number in that yourself, then I will lead that. Now a man will open this ready for you. We all know. Now I get this dynamic tech. Now a logo that for dynamic tech. Now I get for a WhatsApp. Now I know. Now in that so. Now in that, now man will open that. You don't see him. He says, seek the Lord, do what is right, and you are doing what is wrong. Now they go there, they say, King H talk, they say they raise 100,000. Then 6 thief people, big time armed robbers. They want impress who? Put them Manu, no man under them. If Eric Tato not talk for Manu, now only the group where I support of Manu, now it be legit. Any other thing they illegal, it be banned. Yes, we will not see it. Go look the other, you will see the other boy don't cash di my pikin papa animal pikin papa they protect the papa but animal pikin way we they convince you if find a fighters they will kill him. Now one of our brothers this he don't buy walking talking he beg me for send him now in this I will show you this thing and now supporter USA now in this I don't come to you know I leave my rest now in this see. You know if you know your name because I just have an Anna supporter. I mean say they support the National Army. Now this don't buy walking talking. You don't get arrive. Now that's so for the National Army. Yes. It say today, bro. Send your address. I protect identity because a name not be saved. Say bro. Send your address. Let me send to you. Now this me I will chat today. He call me hot for this show because people don't really identify. Say we don't need plenty people that will serve this revolution. So me that people they know one thing. And you ask all man. By the way, wait so much something. Quickly, wait 1 minute. 1 minute. I want to do something now. So I'll go for pull out that number because which I'll go for do now. Say subsequently, I'll go for get the dark cash app number. Would you do small fundraiser live? Every live show will raise even at $200 to put up for dark. Now so what you do? Like today, if it be Sister M, if it be even send me the dark number for doing now. So ask Almighty watch me now. Me put $10. By the end of this show, get $100 I will add for that. The money don't go up. Register 10 extra people. That's how it's going to be. Register your family members. Everybody will get tutorials for that. As a matter of fact, because they say that is humanitarian, very good. So I don't decide on this show as a CEO of a National Telegraph forgive that 2.5 hours any day where they get anything for Duam for all my platform across my name. National Telegraph, National Telegraph Africa, National Telegraph Radio, the website that get free publicity for them. Now on right as a registered organization in the US and in Europe and in other parts. That is how we're going to do it. We're going to do it this way, take them out completely. Now, I'll go now for the LED van. Yes, I'll go for the LED van. Yesterday, I basically talk with the agent where he get for make this thing because I'd wait some other person with me I will get for talk about it. But I'd see with them. But I'd already engaged in the discussion. LED van, publicity van. Okay. When I see now the van this, as I've been always showing yesterday, now the van this. So now this van way one buyer. National Telegraph, I will buy it in the name of National Telegraph. Put it out for free for any Ambazonian. The formality is simple. If you're Ambazonian, you won't come, you can't take the van, you only call, you won't go protest. Only one thing you need for drive, now only a driver license. You need for drive. Once you drive, that is all. You come here, I will take my money, I put you for a full tank. The fuel will flop. You drive them, you go for the place, you do the protest in the name of Ambazonia, you come back, you park the van, not put no petrol, now so you get for B. So now the new formula, because we got to change the game. One take 2 hours, go for Front White House. We protest with that van. We don't have a revolution, right? People don't raise how much money. People don't thief money, millions. Yet now every time they take your money to a revolution. Then they go bring conspiracy. Now, therefore, you see people they can make noise, they will take how much hundreds of thousands of US dollars, not get one camera, but they claim they get national TV. You know what is a TV? You get a TV with one cheap phone where you go take and credit where you pay $60 every day. Not TV that. What is the difference between you and normal person where you do normal work with phone? You can't get TV, you get use TV. That's the question I was asking you. Now, I don't want phone now, mommy. You know what to be TV? They get which office space, they pay which office space. Every day they phone, every day. Now, put that for Manfred Central, then 6, Willie and the man will open. Total criminals. But they take $13,000, they go buy a position for Sako, for name them. For the outlaw, those are banned people. Me say, they get double ban for Manu. Like, Republic don't ban we and all of them because we will be banned as Ambazonians. Then now inside Manu, they will still ban them. So they don't come out. They all end up with them. Now I see they bring all those conspiracies. They go. Then they should also write this one forward. Just look at you, they laugh. But the time has come. They not be beat dark. They not be beat. Someone sister proposed from Germany say, "Make we add liberation for the name for the national army. Maybe now Ambazonia National Liberation Army. What's my problem there? Andla, what's my problem there? That is okay. We'll go with that name because you will find me liberation today. That is true. When you bring proposal, people they bring proposal will change. So they this in Ambazonian National Liberation Army. Okay, man, write that cash up for that where they get from Delaware. Man, see. They send at 30251 with 10. Right again, I beg. I don't see that number pass. I never get the number, so that must save them. 3025. If you just text them for me, sister, I beg, send them for me by text for WhatsApp. Thank you if you watch me. Just go for WhatsApp, send them for me by text. Yeah, now national every Saturday don't restrict this page. I still get more than half a time, almost 800 people, 700, 800 for page. Don't restrict that. Yes, that is the power. Facebook will do everything, bring this guy down, but it's not working. So send me the this thing for this thing. So that's how we're going to do it. Because trust me, say, as I be talk yesterday, say 99% for Ambazonians and now talkatives, noise makers, $1 is not contribute them. Broke people, very broke. They only now for come, their wealth now for share fake things. You said they will share fake things. Well, sister, you I know say you know Anna, right? But no problem. That name fine. We'll go for take proposal. Say, if you send me the number for cash app for my this thing, sister M. Sister Mirabe, send. Okay, thank you. I don't send. I'm very good. Okay. Now, yes, that is fine. Andla fine. Ambazonian National Liberation Army. You know, it makes sense to me. And it deny. Will you see as he proposal at the end of the world, everything will know what to go do. Now, the cash arm number for DAC is then at 3025105421. 3025105421. Write the number, pin them for the screen. 30, yeah, go ahead. 3025105421. So now the cash app number, then sister Mirabel, the control that number. And then all man with that community, you get access to. If you know what amount they come, but when it comes to people that didn't see, it be 1,000,000% protected because no person need to get particular insight about the people that this thing. But when money come, you will see them because it will reflect. Now, my talk I'm very clearly, mommy and papa them. 3025105421. So any man will watch me now at this time. Any man, thank you now the cash app that way don't put down. Any man will watch me now. Me listen very, very, very keenly. If you did for the United States, because I so get for the DUAM. Now they put all man hashtag that number. Me all man register and that the official number that. Me no man no call every time to say me I need to take contribution for that. I never ever I no go take it. Any man, that's why I say when you will be a businessman or be an activist, be as transparent. That's why I beat my chest. Because that's true. You see, you know, wait say some people you know the way say some other people they work for America or they do business in America, suppose they win and say they want chop now for revolution. Now I see they can't hand for every and they say, oh no, he's doing this and stuff because I'm stopping people from stealing from the people. Now why that way I talk say that number maybe now this was sister Mirabe and sister Anasta. So all man put that number for down. Put that number for down. Now in that 3025105421. Anybody watch me now, just go in there, send at least $10, $25. Any man, when you send a hashtag, say you don't send $10 Musiam. Make sure say you do that. You send over there, Sister Mirabe, get to me and then get to Sister Anasta, get to all the dark member, know exactly what will happen. No contribute your money for any person where you go take your money chopper. You be the community, all on for that on 300 and something. At the top where as a floor member, where you simply get just a voice for guide people, they may not give their contribution for wrong place. Thank you so much. I pay the guy for this, send $25. I don't know if that's true, but that is excellent. $25 don't go, some people always send them. Look my phone, my number na 91, I know my number not there, I need to call my number. It not concern me. No active, you not get forget right for the receipt money, by the way, except otherwise. Except for other projects they be crucial. But when it comes to community project, give it to the community. That is what is essential. Now why I see the fit come say, oh, they want chop every to alive because they know say they don't feed from the revolution, but this young man tells them say no more feeding from the revolution. You cannot be stealing from the people in times of war. You cannot allow people, you cannot be paying your house rent in times of war. You are supposed to contribute. I mean, I can't buy van now, forget about people, they will go protest now. That's why I'm and giving money, no. That's how it's going to be. Because all man they sleep for their brain. You know, they sleep, they don't want to do anything will be useful for their lives. All what they think about now say, oh, how we do? We go bring drafting so that we safely put them. Tonton your eye. That's what the Sakopa doing. Sakopa raise even up to $5,000. All that money. Remember what happened for Berlin? I will bring the other girl, way they say why now it's they didn't know how and why I'm calling him. They don't even try to respect himself. I will bring him for my show. He can announce they raise one at $85 or $95 or €1,000 for Berlin because they want for fighting the other problem. Me I will bring them because now as a journalist, they will bring them. They talk about it. Oh no, they don't raise till today. Don't see $1 go. No. Yet in Gombe they say continue for day. So we go continually. Please 3025105421. I'll read the number again. 30. Put the number down this time, Rabbi. 3025105421. 105421. Now the dark number that. Any man will watch me now, I don't prioritize dark for my show. Even for national telegram, I'll talk about dark. For Africa, I'll talk about that because they don't officially say that humanitarian. But we don't talk say waiting. All options there on the table. All option. All option. If I get my issue where it concern national army, I will go for that. Me and that reject me. And we'll not go discuss what they discuss. That the talk say they receive all files. American government, where won't give money for small businesses for the paycheck, the corona period time. You know, they tell you say you not qualify for it. So as long as you be good way, if you go there, now the committee go decide they give the money or not. So all options there on the table. If we will get for if that say it go use na gun for Libre and Bazonia, that go know what it for do. If that say go use na umbrella for Libre and Bazonia, that go know what it for do. So if you are not a member of the DAG, what is your business? Wait to concern foul with toothbrush. You go to make every day that this. My concern do my children because I raise the money. My concern my children understand me I raise the money. That na in close community. My concern will drive and say no go talk say all manu people them they don't give you this. We need to give you nothing. No manu money can do for that sacred nonsense. No Fako money can do for that sacred nonsense. No one. No Gokutunya money can do for that nonsense. Now a group of what they can say cronies means friends of friends, and then they bring their small manipulation for can confuse people. Yes. Thank you so much. Put they say Sister Mirabe, check the amount you don't enter, send them for me for text. Man announce them. If you give me every put the only that one name. Now what guy you get for the do am. Now put the way they get that money. You never go see the woman house, big house, fine house. You go there, you chop you the confused whether you go na L&B on I go do on a play of California and Miami. The one I go enjoy. How they call that one I stay. You see my friend away. So person you just pay $20. Thank you. You see, excellent. So now so what you do would now every show now we would raise small money for that, even at $200 or $250. By the time we want to do 10 live shows, we don't get 2,500. The money go increase because plenty people they won't contribute, but they don't know how to do them. So they want to say okay now so get for do them. That big chance. So long as Eric today, there's nobody who's going to touch $1. Nobody. The other day, the other person will baffle be there from my office here. I talk say Mr. N I say now baffle 7 Kataja I recommend me. Sister Mirabe, Brother Allen, Gideon, they say no, he can do the normal procedure. They don't care about say be Eric Tato, who be you? No, that not be human being. That na community will be made up of human being. Not be some one man fi say own that. No. We get person like Dr. E, where he don't put kind money for the team. Now he register them, now he do this, Mish there for the million buy phone, sister understand who know how to do it for that. Gideon don't put money, all kind people don't contribute. Because once you have the revolution, go ahead. So that na the one stop for the Ambassador Liberation. As I talk, so person don't send $500. The one go be like, I hope that you are not joking because this is serious money for that. Thank you so much anyway. Now, that's fine. Listen very carefully. All we will get to know, the fact say the game don't change. I see the reason why they fear now because say I never even start use 1 billion of my capacity for assist DAC. I see they looked in they go. Every person there for inside DAC when it work for inside British government. Now wonderful IT technician I designed the DAC website. He don't build Omojami when I like Facebook. Very soon I go transfer go to make live show now day. Where no man will disturb me. That I will not get nothing. They say, oh, do this, don't get this. So I take the time small go introduce. I will bring in send me talk about the software for this thing. Now free. So all we want, thank you so much, King H. Don't send $25. So any man, might read the number again. Any man the one for US here will get for make sure say thank you so much. Thank you so much. Some person tells you, yeah, it don't send. Yes, he did. Thank you so much. So I don't even know how much when they don't send Sister Mirabe write me. I'll read the number. The number for now 3025105421. That's how they operate. I don't need because in an area on and I'm hold the cash app. No. Why I get for hold the cash app? Why you should not do that? Yes, transparency entails why you manage media means that I'm manage money. So all the people they want manage all things. You won't run, the one no. That's how it's going to be. And Barcelona will be now power will be divided away. If you get power for money, I get power for media, some man get power for military, some man get power for executive, some man get power for make the law they go apply. That time you know say all mandate for equal level. Yes, when I say it happen for Minnesota, that black man they kill and I see the outrage. The outrage is terrible. And that is how it's going to be in Ambazonia. Nobody will be taken for granted. We will run away from a bad regime. We will not stay with that regime inside we. So we'll make sure say we'll continuously, constantly and systematically destroy this kind of pro-Biafra sentiments within our midst. Corruption will be completely eliminated from Ambazonia. Any person when an Ambazonian, except say now when I don't die, if me are there for that country, I don't need no political post. I will make sure when they just talk say you don't chop money for government. Government deploy, you know. I just find boys that can move you, kill you. There's no chop. You are not supposed to eat $1 that belongs to the community. It doesn't happen. Nobody's supposed to do that. So that the idea that we're going to push and people they know. Say we're going to get hitmen squad them for down for Ambazonia away. If you chop money, we will investigate you. They find you guilty. Government is you. You are taken out. That way people don't know say if government not act, people they in a community guardian they will act. So me will be very clear. Now the reason why we will remain for this position because some one man Sarko come take money go chop crap. Today you want argue, you say he not even argue. He not ever talk about the documents. He not ever talk. And then suppose your cat say, oh no, more can petty, move this because sometimes he put your cat contribute for you. No, nobody where all man where the Sarko is small supporter every day. And you come for social media, they can say, well, no, we have 90% support. Who give you 90%? 90%. Who dash you 90%? If Sarko get any support than at 5%, instead of 5%, now the contribution are negative. Now when they see the world, don't worry. After world draft, right? World draft the captain like when I know what you'll bring out now, they'll think new name. They'll bring on a master name, they'll think that. They'll bring on a pepper draft. So they'll pepper on a very well goats. And you call yourself that you are fighting for freedom. Freedom that I don't know your left from your right. You go the full shape, go draft. They take look manual. These are no 6 people them for group. They say raise 100,000. Who does them? People not be able to pay the housing for America. They go give now 100,000. How they pass now how choose means. Oh my God. When I look sometime, I look these people them. No, and PayPal, I will ask PayPal. Next edition will put PayPal. So ma see what your sister may I beg for tell me for you. What? See? So that one sister say send $500 and he send them. Wonderful. Hold on. So get Mr. Celestine. I read the name them. Sister Mirabel, check am back. Check them very well. Me any man, listen, now so that they operate and now typical this of Eric Tato. Nobody can eat their dollar in this revolution so long as I did. So now why that we see I recuse myself from anything concern finance because me sister they want my money. I don't get any link. Now sister Mirabel that they write for me, now he hold the cash app number. So now for this show now, transparency day because any man will know your name, call my number now so that you complain. My number now waiting. All right, I'll put my number. Man, not even give the number. Man, not confused for the online bet. For the sake of clarity, if you check on my page, there for the page 917. And one people they go confused because my number didn't even receive cash app. It need work online. They don't block them. So if you know your name, call my number. Complain say you know your money. Sister Mirabel no send your money. My wholly immediately. My YP now so online. But Sister Mirabel are the most honest human being I've ever seen. The most honest for my lifetime. One of the most honest. So I don't send $20. I will read the name them. If you know your name, Mr. Celestine, would read only one name. You don't send $20. My man King Echu John, you don't send $25. Sister Besem send $500. Oh my God. And if I tell you, if it's not a joke, you see, people want to contribute, but they don't know what to do. One man send $500. Now in this. Now sister Mirabel send so now in this so I go screenshot them. Show now they this and this. Now start my best now for me. That's it there. See? Now the chat that just now for me now so. Now $500. Sister Besem. Sister Besem don't send $500. 1 minute. Okay. Sister Jeanette, you send $25. Mr. Lancy, you send $10. Mr. Joshua, you send $25. Sister Evelyn, you send $25. Wonderful. Now, it doesn't say very easy. So only today alone, that don't be almost raise close to $1,000. Now 25 that's 600 plus. So if we make them 1,000, so I will read the cash app again. So put the ask PayPal. Next edition, I will send PayPal. Next, Sister Besem, thank you so much. If you just screenshot, I beg Sister Besem, what you do? I know you watch me right. Go for your payment. We don't do them, so I'm gonna show them screenshot because it's now you go for dark. but your name not go come out. You go show and say you have sent to this person. Your own name not come out, now the person name will come out. So one back sister Besem say, and any other man you don't send now. So today, just go for your this thing. I get my WhatsApp number now 917-480-1068. 917-480-1068. Now my WhatsApp number that just sister Besem, only you just screenshot. Or you screenshot and send them for that number. Me they send them for me. Or send them for Sister Mirabe. Me they send me that cash. I'm gonna show them for you. So Sister Besem alone don't send $500. Then but I give John Donjo the right me say the PayPal for that now amin@darkcommunity.org. Okay, I beg but I give you if you pin that paper for the pin that paper. So only one live show for show the enabler they say people they don't believe in the project way it be transparent. That's all live day. When you don't make your name, you get a good product. No matter what you don't see Pepsi the hey, you like do high, go bring kind Guinness. Guinness they can't be Guinness, that's signature for Guinness. So that's what Guinness they. You know the big picking is Selak, Bombita. So all the other new milk that they come for market, where so how they call her Agbani, they get kind name. You know if you ever beat that. Dark is the brain. So one time Oma we will read the this thing once more. And Sister Mirabe update me. The cash app number is 302-5105421. 302-5105421. Una put the cash app number for the. Okay, how can those in the UAE contribute? We'll get for bring now number way. We go the call for contribute for the person through Western Union. Na keep on a receipt. All right. Okay. No worry. We know that Denzel will not block you. Want me day for me hear the final figure. Me hot. Never. Will not ever block you. Me day for day from now. Okay, so we go put it out very clearly. One thank everybody. Okay, one thanks our brother with the right here. Say me God bless you. The either right say the follow. Thank you so much. Yeah, very good. 100% followers. Thank you so much. God bless you. I want you to type something because I read comment from my phone. Thank you. Okay, we need to talk. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. All right. Thanks a lot. Okay, man. All right, so I will save my brother name so that when I finish, I will call it brother from. Put the place where he write down. Now give me small time. You know, say you need miss good contacts. Then they so you need plot and dark. You want to talk about dark. Say you support that 100%. So the thing that say when you did like me. Right, that therefore succeed because I use my business ideas for put and for day. Say when you be businessman, one thing for known as say no be all man will like your product. So you get for carve your niche, find your customer. So we will get our community. We don't need all man to come for the community. Jesus Christ, if not so, Jesus Christ will say me get 5,000 for them before he go feed the other 5,000 for him. Me say no ever feed that for them now. But you na 12 apostles. They go use how many bread? Now when I small time I go talk now like give Johnson you na 9 bread, 6 fish. You don't ever ask Chris any question concern Bible because he'll tell you some answer. It will be very horrible. You ever ask Chris and say how many fishes or how many fish and loaves of bread did Jesus use? He'll tell you say we need a party or talk say that man. He didn't say that man is na 8 bread too. Na 8 bread. You know. Chris, I know this that guy is too dull. Sometimes I don't know who born that kind of human being. So we'll be very grateful. I mean, once in a while we'll take this small realization, you know. So that is how it is. So now the paper na admin@dacommunity.org. admin@dacommunity.org. So mommy and papa them, I tell you the truth and I say. Wait me, I don't understand about life now. Say you know because some people expect say, oh, big Dag just tell me Dag get 200,000. Me say Dag dey succeed. Now big lie. I remember when I be start my business, right? I be suffer. I start my business. I take small loan from a farmer for 500,000. I don't multiply them a lot. Have $1 million. So you gotta start small. So you never assume say that people don't know if you say you will just start the cap D1. No, now small. Now you are the richest platform and the most transparent in the struggle. So once you understand that perspective, you get to move on. You know, this is important the way they don't ever do not to Eric Tato. Now, whether it becomes when a new website they come away with the launch and soon by month end, you will go for the sideway for donate for the radio. Get sideway for the couple say, oh, they want to support the radio. Okay, don't put donate for the radio. You go for that people donate for the radio, which I write out there, and say friends of Telegraph only. Wait, me say if you not my friend, I don't need you for the become your enemy, not ever contribute for you. Keep it that way. So, not make, let's say, the romance them. So you go my, because this I think I'm a communicator by excellence and I know how to operate with this kind of people. So when you go my website, I don't go to say donate to Telegraph. No, I don't need you, my friend. No, I don't need your money. Take and go and cook soup and eat. Not my business. You get the point? Because whether or not you donate with me, I will still make your money because I get put away some person who can buy them. I get news you must can't read them. And you, my enemy, you not donate, you go read the news, pay the news. That's how it is. So all man for know these things. So you not get for the hope say you can say, oh, yeah, you want to go man. It's no man way na Sako supporter. If he ever can donate for Eric Tato National Telegraph, it not happen. Put down for your head. You need to go negotiate with them for can donate. No, not that it not get for B. So I go for the way go see what donate and say friends of Telegraph only. So that way you want to go for social media, go bring conspiracy say, oh, Eric Tato ask for me to donate for radio. I say yes. What you consider? Are you my friend? You go and read the headline. It's friends of Telegraph, National Telegraph only. Friends of friends. I get friends and so. Yes, I get friends, more lovers than haters. Now, whether we be easy for me for streamline all nine of my haters, I don't put all in one corner, so I package now. Let's sardine with probably the give CPT and people. There's no joke about it. So all man get for being a chore, now if you're reduced, we get for maintain for social media. So more can tell say, oh, Eric Tato, mommy don't die. He want to see me just come and no here. Oh, Eric Tato don't impregnate 3 girls. He want to see me not make no here. Tell say, yes, I don't impregnate 3 girls. No, bring your sister Adama at the belly, nyam focus. Yeah, imagine. So what can they say? Oh, Eric don't say mommy for court. Yes, no, they say not true. I say my mommy for court because say the man where they talk either for the same court. Now, oh, mommy they can't get after. Even though so I don't know say I for court that I say my mommy. So you see how people they be very stupid. And they expect say you can't talk, say you can't pray for. They say, oh, you pray say my mommy don't die. No problem, my mommy live forever. Not one day. Your mommy get for die before my mommy in Jesus' name. Write it down. If you open your mouth, talk say my mommy don't die, or you spread the news. Say my mommy don't die, my mommy don't die. Me your mommy, in fact, me your best speaking die for motor accident tomorrow in Jesus' name. That's how it's going to be. Your best papa, your best something, your woman me die for motor accident. Why you can't pray for my mommy? I can pray good prayer for you. Who told you that? It doesn't happen. Before, I take a lot of you when I think them pray, when I talk, I can't cry, sorry, when I sympathize. No. Every time for revolution, you get stages, you draw the stage. So that's how it's going to be. Me no man can say, oh, Eric Tato is bad. Why not be gentleman go pray? Who's gentleman? What they say gentleman for Eric Tato page or gentleman for social media? Go be gentleman on social media. If you see that married die for Minnesota, so if you still die anyway, but if you fight that police movie for a knee, maybe they will shoot you, maybe for even where, but only your neck for press your neck. That is how you don't press my neck. No, I need you the opportunity where that black man get that Minnesota police. It will not happen because you fight, you die. You not fight, you die. So better fight. Better fight. That's it. So me no man no can say, oh, Eric Tato, and so on and so forth. See some man, some bagger. They can say no 1,000 views. Yes, because the page be restricted. Facebook don't make the page go for plenty people. But I still beat all man for on top social media plus on a so-called national TV. Yes, plus on a so-called national TV. I beat all man, the most watched platform, whether they restrict me or not. That's the point. So you got to know that there is no activity that is as watched as Eric Tato. Put that in your head. So you know, come here, come now. So when they make us sort of expect say me just ignore, they say no, because of glad they don't succeed forget that conspiracy. When they restrict your page, they can't complain about you. When your page okay, where all man get the notification, the world will start doing a lot of programs for Telegraph. They'll say, oh, Eric Tato, wait till it happen. Oh, you don't buy views, you don't do this. Blood the fuckers. Yes, man, talk like Yannick guy to say bloody civilians. These are criminals. Don't joke with them. They insult you, you insult them. That is the truth. Not try that thing. Go for Bible, copy the side way you like them. Implement the one day make you look subtle. After that, implement the other day make you look violent. Because even Jesus Christ be big tipo they play jambo for church. So you don't be too gentle. Every time you be too gentle, you're not going to take it. Name your enemies, label them, tag them, and put them in one corner. Lock them up if you can lock them. That is how it's going to do. It's going to be. That's it. So me no man can say, oh, be gentle. So woman can cause you say, oh, Eric Tato, you be poor man, you live for ghetto. When no say you live for ghetto, you live one of the finest areas for Maryland. You no fine, but you want to say me, you don't question that. Me put the ganzo don't know. You get the opportunity, right? Show your house, show your compound, show your office. They preferably no. See, now principle of higher good where those social media. So I would say, oh, they do them because they calculate you. My turn at the thing with those guys they do. They do them because they calculate, say, you know, ever show that thing because they will still say he proud. Better, right? My audience, I go prefer me, my audience know me say I'm proud than forget and a wrong impression for me will not be the impression. You know, ever happen. You know, beat me. You talk shit about my car, I show you my car. You talk shit about my office, I show you my office. You talk shit about my house, I show you my house. That's how it's going to be. So don't think that some of these people, because they probably will talk the shit and I probably not get, but me I get, so I need to talk now from space. I'll take the color. Hello?
Hello, boss.
Yes, sir. You want to participate on the show?
Yeah, I just want to let you know that I just sent 20 euro
On the PayPal.
on PayPal. I'm in Germany.
Oh, thank you so much. Very good. PayPal, that's it there.
Yeah,
admin@dag.org.
I've also sent you the screenshot.
Good people. You see, the paper is not with me. It's and the person who is, you see, like, I'm not typing anything. The person who is controlling my account, I'm not going to say where it is the one that's putting those things. And I want to thank you, my brother Gideon. God bless you. That's it. So people, I don't even know. Those are people calling. That is how the society is supposed to function. I cannot be on the media. I want to control the paper. I want to control this. The community is the Ambazonian people. I'm not having anything there. I don't take no decision. So that's how it's going to be. So all of you must stay on the watch. Trust me, Eric Tato, they not beat you. Where are they? If you are my friend, I got your back. I like you. Nobody takes that away. That's why I am a straight talker. I'm a go-getter. And that's how it's going to be. So me no man no come. Social media and I play like a bar without a VIP. So when you get in there, anybody do anything, blow you for your eye because VIP not there for social media. You get a bar. No go for bars so people can't push ahead. You can't look slap it very well. You know, ever do that nonsense next time. That's how it's going to work. So the paper did it, the Cash App did it, any update from Cash App Stamina because it closed the show in 5 minutes. And not maybe too lengthy. The Cash App number once more at 3025105421. 3025105421. So now the Cash App that will end the show in 5 minutes. I want to thank Honor enormously for this contributions, enormously for following up. More than just enough at this time where my page be critically restricted. I'll be so glad to say when I still follow and thank Una for trusting Eric Tato every time. We'll keep up with our people. But always remember that don't joke with anybody who wants to mess you up on social media, all right? So that is how it's supposed to work because they do all those things, hope say, oh, that conspiracy will push through. But once you hit them, they retreat. You said they run because they feel they won't go and put those comments, they will go successful. No, you will not go. You bite me, I bite you 2 times. That's my new slogan on social media. No joke about it. If you insult me, whether you're a mother of 105 years, I'm going to look for the best insult where you fit for your category. I insult you very well. Not can say, oh, every time they insult mommy. Look at pro cause and non cause, cause and effect. Not looking at the effect, looking at the cause. Mommy be insult me, say he get monopoly for insult me. It's not going to work. So we're going to look at Sister Mirabel. If you get any updates, the Cash App once more, mission put them move flop the money. 3025105421. Come on, what am I reading? 3025105421. All right, so I wait the last update from Sister Mirabel before we go. So any other thing will update on subsequent shows. So one thank Almighty follow, and hopefully I will surely move some of my shows and for another new page where they do one for me now. Some page where some person say do one for me, Eric Tato Grand Zero or something. Once I get the entry. Okay, they say Mr. Michael, you sent $24.50. All right, that's very excellent. Okay, very great. So once more, Sister Celestine. Okay, one take this caller. Some caller the call. We'll take this caller. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Eric.
Yes, ma'am. How you doing?
Please check your good. Are you?
No, cool. Yes.
I know you're on the show, but I just sent something, so I sent you the screenshot.
Oh, excellent. Let me look at it. Very good. Very good. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
God bless you, sister. Okay.
Bless you too. Bless you, protect you, guide you forever.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Oh,
amen.
I'm so
Thank you.
touched. I just feel like crying. Oh my God. I'm not going to cry no more. When you see my face like this, Sakopo say, let him cry. Let us screenshot and put out there. Nyam focus. You will see the tears again. Beefs. So these people, you don't have to joke with them because they are very diabolic. They are criminals. And you are not supposed to joke with them, to be honest, right? Just make sure that you keep your cool and then fight till the last man standing. All right, so I want to thank you. Our sister will call you. Just send $34.54 on to PayPal. Excellent job. God bless you, sister. I've read that. And then our brother, you sent $20.91. Our brother, he says I should read his name as Manu Bernard. Thank you so much. God bless you. He wrote his name there. And who else? We are waiting for any details. That should be on the paper. Let me see who else sent something. Sister, thank you. I've just read that. I want to thank everybody. In fact, God bless you. I don't know how to thank you guys. I don't know. This is huge. This is huge. Thank you so much. I just watched you acknowledge my support. I'm highly and positively honored. Oh my God, this is my brother who bought those phones. Yeah, of course, that's me. That's me for you, you know. Transparent, straight, and stuff. But I'm not a saint, though. Sometimes I make mistakes. Yeah, and want to thank everybody. We're going to end the show here. As usual, I'll end the show with something from our president, His Excellency Siseko Ayoktabe Julius. I'm going to play his music. Siseko Ayoktabe, the man who is the worst nightmare to La Republic. La Republic hates that man with a passion, man. So we're going to look at it. Okay. So that's the show is ending now. And just to say, thank you, all right?
Assistant Vice President,
God bless you all.
Digital Services, and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. I reach out my Monday, I job, I make it.
Those who are still watching, you can just hashtag DAC. Hashtag DAC. I'm 10%. Hashtag DAC. Let's do that, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, those from Dubai, you'll be given a contact. I think Sister Mirabel or Star, one of them, they'll put somebody, the community will put somebody to give their names out. You know, like I've explained, my singular role here is to promote what is good. I use my platform. I don't want to get involved with anything. I have a lot of cash I handle already in my business, so I don't want to get involved with anything that concerns cash out there. So Sister Mirabel or other people, it's not going to mix up. They're going to do that. They're going to do that. That's fine. So I'm going to end here to thank all of you. So Dubai, wherever. You know, a lot of conspiracies, especially when you're a businessman, you're in a revolution. The only way you have to keep people from your far away from your plot, from your area, is to get other people get involved with all of this issue. I do this because I think that I believe in the freedom of Amazonia. I want us free so badly, and I'm doing everything. So sometimes it affects my business, but I still keep doing it. So one time, everybody, they're going to put that is going to put out somebody that's going to be receiving whatever you guys send, and it's going to be acknowledged and put out there, and they put on the website. So thank you all. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow if I can.